Hello, welcome to Escrow Escapes. This is the real estate stories, market trends, and true tales from the front lines of closings. I am Matthew Halliday, Navy veteran and father of 3 girls, also a full-time real estate agent. Let's get into it.
They pulled into the driveway, movers half unloaded, when Escrow called, "We can't fund. Your insurance binder lapsed." Welcome to Escrow Escapes. I'm Matthew Halliday, and today I'm walking you through a real closing day freeze and the simple checks that stop that exact chaos. Here's what you'll actually walk away with. Clear ways to verify coverage, a tight communication routine agents and Escrow can use, and quick, safe fixes if paperwork shows up late. No theory, just steps you can use on your next file. Okay, the deal. First-time buyers, closing scheduled Friday. Final walkthrough done. Wire instructions confirmed. Then, 3 hours before funding, Escrow says the insurer shows a cancellation for non-payment and the binder expired 2 days earlier. The lender said they couldn't fund without an endorsement. Everything stopped. How did it happen? Renewal notices went into a crowded inbox. The buyers assumed their agent handled the payment, and the insurer processed an automated cancellation. Quiet, routine, perfectly timed direct closing day. Sound familiar? Let's start with the thing that trips people up most. Knowing which document does what. Start by verifying early. Know the difference between a binder, the full policy, and the lender endorsement. A binder shows temporary coverage until the full policy exists. The endorsement is what the lender wants to see, naming them or showing mortgagee language. Don't assume covered means endorsed. Quick questions to ask your insurer or agent. Is there an active binder through the funding date? Has premium been posted? Has the lender endorsement been sent to my lender? If so, when and to which address? Ask for an email reply with binder number and endorsement details. That short email, it often saves the whole day. Next, tighten the communication chain. Who calls whom and when? My go-to, 48 to 72 hours before funding. The agent calls the buyer's insurer and confirms 3 things. Active binder, premium paid or payable immediately, and endorsement issuance timeline. Then forward that confirmation to Escrow and the lender so everyone sees the same message. Use short, exact wording when you write or speak. Please confirm binder number, effective dates, and whether the lender endorsement has been sent. Reply with a copy or confirmation email. Saying exactly what you need cuts the back and forth and creates a paper trail. Escrow officers, don't wait for someone else to chase. Send a parallel request. Please send the endorsement to lender at domain and copy Escrow at company. Reply with a time-stamped confirmation. When everybody's copied, it's harder for a single message to get lost in an inbox. Simple, but it works. If you hit a dead zone at the table, here are practical fixes that can get you across the line quickly. First option, ask the insurer for a temporary reinstatement or same-day rush endorsement. Many carriers will do it if the premium is paid immediately. Second, negotiate a targeted escrow holdback where the lender agrees to fund if the insurer issues the endorsement within an agreed short window. Third, in a pinch, a short-term policy from another carrier can bridge the gap, only with written proof that it meets lender requirements. Important caution. Every emergency move needs written confirmation. Don't take verbal, we'll send it as enough. If the insurer says they'll issue an endorsement in 24 hours, get an email stating exactly what will be issued, when, and the policy or binder number. That email protects buyers, sellers, lenders, and escrow. Back to our buyers. The insurer confirmed the lapse, and they offered a same-day reinstatement if the outstanding premium was wired immediately. The agent arranged payment, the insurer rushed the endorsement to both the lender and escrow, and funding cleared that afternoon. It wasn't pretty, but it was documented and legal. 2 moves saved the day. Now, here's a 5-step pre-closing insurance checklist you can copy into every file. Step 1, confirm an active binder that covers the funding date. Step 2, verify premium payment or arrange immediate payment. Step 3, confirm the lender endorsement will be sent to both the lender and escrow. Step 4, get written confirmation. Email the insurer and request a return email with the binder number and endorsement details. Step 5. Set a 48-hour reminder to recheck endorsement delivery. Put this checklist in your transaction plan and use it every time. Quick recap. Verify early and know what each document does. Tighten the communication chain and copy escrow and lender. And be prepared with rapid fixes, but only accept them with written insurer confirmation and lender or escrow sign-off. One practical tip to set now. Call the insurer 48 hours before funding and ask, has the endorsement already been issued to the lender? If not, when will it be sent? Please confirm in writing, then set a calendar alert for that call. That's a wrap on this episode of Escrow Escapes. Thanks for listening. And remember, every deal has its bumps. It's how you navigate them that counts. Catch you next time. If this helped, subscribe so you don't miss more real closing stories and usable checklists. Let's break it down.
Thanks for listening to Escrow Escapes. For more real estate tips, market updates, and behind-the-scenes stories, subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. I am Matthew Halliday. We'll see you on the next closing. Thanks. Have a great day.